Blizzard is in there right now, sticking the place up.
Word right now?
Right
He
now.
let you out?
Nigga asked me if I wanted a piece of the action.
Yo,
Hey, homie, you need some help?
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. At Your Beach. You new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Silence. You already seen by the title on this vid. This is a triple unboxing, but really it's 4 items, but with the sneaks it's an unboxing. And this is like the cheapest triple unboxing. This is the only triple unboxing I've ever done. I don't think I've even done like 2 sneaks, but this is the cheapest triple unboxing that I've ever done. No reason to do any type of wavy magic or anything like that. It's hot, you know what I'm saying? But I did get my AC. I did get my AC unit. Backstory behind that, it's in one of the vlogs. You'll see that one, but finally got my AC. Don't have it hooked up yet, but
as a man thinketh, so shall he get. You know, some shit like that. You know you read the Bible.
But anyway, yo, we gonna get into the vid. Before I get into the joint, yo, let me get 400 likes on this joint.
What?
I'm gonna do the on foot and everything. You already know the best.
They go that Earl nigga.
Cheapest on foot on YouTube right here. You know what I'm saying? I did it first. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be a triple on foot. But anyway, man, let's just get into it. All right, first joint. Hey, yes, this came from Puma. I saw Nori with this joint on his nephew's video, and I had to get it. Puma and PRPS collabed. This is like my first Puma shirt probably like ever, but since they collabed with PRPS, I had to jump on it. You got the Puma in white lettering, the PRPS broken baby angel whatever on the crutch. The bottom tag is purple with the PRPS logo and the Puma logo. Yeah, I wanted this joint. Well, we'll get into the price after, but no, matter of fact, my bad. We'll get into it now. It's been a minute since I did on the couch joint. I feel like it's like I've been doing a lot of vlogging, but yeah, this joint was originally 40 bucks. I think I paid like 17 for it due to the fact I had like a 40% off on all these joints. I had 40% off coupon or a discount code from T-Mobile, the free T-Mobile joint on Tuesday. And what else did I get? Oh, and then I got a 10% military discount.
Oh, check you out.
My first pair of Pumas, right here. This is my first pair. Nah, this is like my second pair. I borrowed a pair back in the day, just never gave them back.
I steal, I don't kill.
All right, bam. First pair right here. Got the black GV Specials, size 10, Puma black. Yeah, all right, I thought so. Anyway, all right, boom. Check them out. Bam, bam, bam. I know what you're saying to yourself. These look like work sneaks. They are work sneaks, as a matter of fact. And I want to give a shout out to the Soulmates. Shout out to my man. I had hit him up and I had asked, yo, how these joints, like how Pumas run, because these are for work and I ain't want these joints to be like all stiff, you know what I'm saying, or mad tight on my feet. No way. No way. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I just got tired of rocking Timbs, you know what I'm saying, for work, especially in the summertime. I wanted something like, you know, comfortable, like and low, you know?
No, I'm afraid not.
Take it to the sole. Puma sole right there, obviously. It's a UK size 9, US size 10. Medial side, black sole. Everything's black.
They're brothers, sir. Yeah, they're brothers. Yeah, they're fucking brothers.
Completely black. The upper's black. Like a tumble leather too, you can see. Black Puma, whatever stripe going on the side. Take it to the lateral side. Same thing as the medial side. The upper has the gold lettering Puma GV Special as well as the Puma symbol. You can really see the tumble in these joints though. Word. Around the toe box, you got all the perforated holes. Black shoestrings, always forget about those. Black tongue, let's see what the tongue looking like. I think they should have had the tongue, at least the tab, gold, but whatever. It's all good. Bam, there go the tongue. Puma at the top, take it to the edge.
Pause, all right?
They should have done the top of the tongue just like they did the heel with the gold Puma logo. Just want to see what these fit like right quick. In a second. Cause man, like I said, man, I need these for the summertime and I just want comfort, comfort, comfort. Okay, yeah. Get these straight, hell yeah. Yeah, I'm chilling in these, boy. Work sneak right here. Yeah, boy. All right, that's one. Let's see the other one. So next up, got my second one. Boom. Know how to come with the all white, you know what I'm saying? That icy white, that white right there, boy.
Don't call me a boy, please.
You know I'm about to spray these down too. I know these joints is gonna get dirty. Now the reason I had got these is because originally I wanted the Stan Smiths and with the discount, I was like, man, you know what? I'm just gonna pay for the overnight shipping. I'm gonna get 3 joints and not have to worry about it, because I'm about to, I gotta take a little trip, and I'm gonna be rocking these joints on the trip. And it came to, I was still saving money. So, you know what I'm saying? Couldn't go wrong with these. So, bam. Let me turn the brightness down though. Puma logo in the middle of the sole with the lettering. The midsole on the black pair, I didn't pay attention to that. You got the Puma lettering as well as the logo. Got the Puma stripe right there. And then above in the gold lettering, you got the Puma GV Special as well as the Puma logo. Medial side, same thing. It's an all white sneaker. You can start seeing the perforated holes on the lateral and medial side. Then when you take it to the toe box, same thing, perforated holes, white laces. And again, like I say, with the heel, how they got the Puma logo in gold, they should have did that with the tongue. That would really pop. All right, on these, since they was only like, I don't know, I'm gonna get the price in a second, but yeah, so gold and white insole, you got Puma lettering as well as the logo. These joints clean though, I ain't even gonna lie. Like I said, I wanted the Stan Smiths. I might get them next year, the ones, but I don't know, do I want the ones with the green or the ones with the blue, the navy blue? But with this price, I was like, man, you know what? Let me just get these joints and, you know, say, here go my work sneaks, you know what I'm saying, right here. I'm gonna try my damnedest to keep these joints clean though, for real. I know it's gonna be tough. I'm gonna be having to really get down with these joints. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about these. Nice, just a subtle joint, but watch when I'm throwing them on. Now these joints, these ain't working. I actually wanna rock these for the summer. Matter of fact, with both of these, as long as they stay clean, like if it's on something that I just gotta throw on just to go somewhere and them joints is clean, I'm right there. Boom. Last, but I had to get these. I had to. I love red's like my favorite color. You know what I'm saying?
Cancel Christmas.
Back in the day, the ones that I had borrowed and didn't give back, they was like they was the white and lime green pair. And then I had another white pair that I borrowed. It was like I was always borrowing the Pumas. You heard? But yeah, and shout out to my man David Lee for that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, these joints, they always reminded me every time I remember thinking back to the Black Moon video, how many MCs, when Buckshot had these joints, you know what I'm saying, stepping through, always my vision on how to rock these joints. It didn't matter like what pair, well, it didn't matter what pair, but just work with me here. It would be with like those cargo pants that you get like at what is it, like General Jackson's or something. You know, it got the tie at the bottom. You can tie them joints, like, and you know, close them up, boom, you know what I'm saying, some khaki ones, brown, whatever, and you know, mobbing through, you know what I'm saying? No, sorry. I used to swear I had that look like Buckshot or something, but it probably wasn't that.
Is this shirt there supposed to think as important, Gartrell?
Here we go with these joints. You got that red sole, Puma lettering in red with the Puma logo. Medial side, you got some red in the midsole, as well as some white. In the upper, you got the Puma stripe going down. You can see the perforated holes. Take it to the lateral side, same as the medial side, except you see the Puma lettering in white on the midsole, as well as the Puma logo. You can see the red coming through too, as well as the red Puma stripe. Perforated holes in the toe box. Take it to the heel. Yo, check it out. I mean, yo, this tumble's all right though, you know what I'm saying? Gold Puma logo right there. They did these right with the tongue. They damn sure did these right. Now I remember back in the day, if I was in like 8th grade or something, I would try to throw some fat laces in them. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all the tongue right quick. Welcome to the Bronx. But yeah, see, this is how I feel that the tongue should have been on the other 2 pairs, on all the joints that they made. You got perforated holes leading up to the tag. You got white and red going on in the tag. Red Puma lettering and the red Puma logo.
Spit it out.
A lace swap would really make these joints pop. I don't know. I'm not really into that, but I mean, I think about it. But the only thing is, I would want like the same type of lace going on, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to like sacrifice like the width of the lace, because I do like how the width is. It's not a fat lace, but you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, these joints right here, let me tell you how much I paid for them. That's why I got these joints. All right, I paid $37 for each one of these sneaks. So I got my 2 work sneaks for the summertime, and then I got me a nice chill sneak for the summertime. I might even throw these joints on like today or tomorrow. Nah, I already got my fit planned for tomorrow, but you know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw a couple pair of jeans on with these joints, because ain't no point really. Y'all will see the joints that I'm gonna wear, like, well, We'll figure it out. Y'all will know if I do or not, because I gotta iron the joints. I might throw on the pants that I'm gonna wear these with for work. I might just throw on these joints with some jeans just to give y'all a couple looks. But you'll see. You follow me on my IG, Wavy80. You definitely gonna see. I'm gonna rock them joints. But yeah, man, 37 bucks, yo. What y'all think? You can't go wrong with these joints. Word up. I think this all came to, I don't know. Let me not hold up. For these 3 sneaks and the tee, $154. Now back to the tee. I was gonna cop. They got like a jogging suit, PRPS Puma jogging suit. I was gonna cop that joint, but then I started looking at it. I was like, nah. I mean, it was kind of like, you know, alright, but I decided not to.
This nigga's scared.
But for the shirt, had to cop the joint. Y'all know I love PRPS, especially when it comes to the jeans. Word, like that's just my thing. And I'm not really worried about rocking these joints with non-Pumas. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't care, cause it's PRPS. You know, that's gonna be my excuse. But anyway, man, let me know what y'all think about this joint. 400 likes on this. I'ma figure out what I'm gonna do for the on foot, but there is gonna be an on foot on these joints. But definitely, these are gonna be mine for the summertime right here. Word up, like, yeah. 37 bucks, fuck it, man. I'll be chilling. You might see me with that Puma fit, like, nah, I can go Bama with it. But anyway, man, salute to everybody that's been rocking with me, everybody that's been following the channel, everybody that's been supporting, liking, commenting, all that. Shout out to the Wave Mob, word. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be. But that's Snups.
Oh! Oh my God, his face! Fuck.
It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.